Joyful Christmas, everyone! And here is our Christmas tradition.
Was reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas will burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the
Christmas is my most favorite time of the year, kaya naman as early as September, we are already decorating our house. So si Mimi ay nag-enjoy and very excited magtayo ng Christmas tree this year. Kaya first day of September pa lang, itinayo na namin yung Christmas tree. And sobrang natutuwa siyang mag-decorate nito.
nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe.
Marami kaming nagiging bisita, especially during the Christmas season. Kaya naman, as much as possible, gusto ko talagang maging festive. Pero simple lang yung mga decorations natin this year. And ito yung mga old decors natin na nagdagdag lang ako ng mga konting decors ngayong Pasko.
He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really knows how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Christmas is a season of giving, kaya naman mag-shopping tayo ng mga panregalo natin. Every Christmas, hindi nawawala ang gift giving sa aming pamilya. Kaya every year, pinaghahandaan namin ito. At pinag-iipunan namin kasi masyadong mabigat kung isang bagsakan lang yung ginagawa namin. So minsan, September pa lang, nag-iipon na kami ng mga panregalo para pagdating ng Christmas, medyo konting pagkumpleto na lang ang gagawin namin every December. Kaya mas maganda na mas maaga nag-iipon na ng panregalo.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir of folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their
And as early as October, nag-start na akong mag-wrap ng mga Christmas gifts kasi nga sobrang dami naming nireregaluhan every Christmas. Kaya mas maagang mag-wrap ng gifts, mas maigi. Kasi parang hindi na tayo mararush pagdating ng December.
every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really knows how to fly. Oh, and so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Time spent with our loved ones is a gift. Kaya naman, I make sure that I spend time with my kids as much as possible, especially during the Christmas season. And hindi mawawala ang Christmas activities namin. Gumagawa ako ng mga activities na matutuwa at mag-enjoy ang mga bata.
Yuletide carols being sung by a choir and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep
isa sa favorite na ginagawa namin every Christmas season ay ang manood ng mga Christmas movies kasi talagang nakaka-enjoy manood ng Christmas movies and iba yung napifeel mo talaga kapag Christmas movies yung pinapanood mo.
Is gonna spy to see if reindeer really knows how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways,
Siyempre, hindi din mawawala ang aming 12 Days of Christmas. So, inumpisahan namin to last 2020. Maliliit pa yung mga bata. And sobrang nag-enjoy na sila na gawin yung 12 Days of Christmas. So, every December 1, sinisimulan namin ito up until December 12. Tapos, nag-a-add na lang kami ng mga iba pang activities or gagawin namin until Christmas. Nililook forward ito ng mga bata, especially kapag December 1 na. Sobrang na-excite na sila kasi meron na yung 12 Days of Christmas. Yun ang aming Christmas tradition. So, masaya na ma-spend natin yung Christmas season with our loved ones, especially with our kids kasi sobrang bilis ng panahon and kailangan i-enjoy natin yung time natin with them, especially habang bata pa sila and habang may time pa sila sa atin na makipaglaro. So, see you again on our next video. Bye everyone. God bless and have a joyful Christmas!
mistletoe.